In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu on Weebly. Creating a drop-down menu is a fantastic way to organize your website content and make navigation easier for your visitors. Let's dive right into it and explore how to do this in a few simple steps. First, head over to the Weebly site editor. Once you're there, look towards the top bar where you'll find the Pages option. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the list of pages that are organized on the left sidebar. Here, you can see all the pages you have created for your website. It's much like the blueprint of your site, laying everything out in a clear format. Now, let's move to the fun part, creating a drop-down menu. The way to start is by organizing your pages into a hierarchy, which is essentially deciding which page will be the main page, or the parent, and which will be sub-pages, also known as children pages. To do this, simply click and hold the page you want to serve as the main page, the anchor that everything else will attach to, and drag it to the top. This creates the base for your drop-down menu. Once you've positioned your parent page at the top, you're ready to start organizing the sub-pages, the pages that will appear when someone hovers over the main page on your site. This is where you can really start to streamline the way people navigate through your information. Click and drag each of the pages you want to appear in the drop-down menu and move them just slightly to the right. You'll notice a visual cue that indicates these pages are now sub-pages, nested under your chosen parent page. The beauty of Weebly is its straightforward interface, and you'll see it in action here. As soon as you arrange your pages into sub-pages, Weebly will automatically convert them into a drop-down menu. There's no complicated coding or additional steps. It's as simple as dragging and releasing, and Weebly does the rest for you. This makes it not only efficient, but also accessible for those who might not be well-versed in technical details, yet want a polished, professional-looking website. And there you have it. You've successfully created a drop-down menu on Weebly that your website visitors can use to seamlessly explore your content. Remember, the drop-down menu isn't just a tool for organization. It's a way to enhance the user experience, making your website more intuitive and enjoyable to use. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you, and I encourage you to explore other features that Weebly offers to make your site even more dynamic. Thank you for tuning into this guide, and happy editing.